Hi, welcome to this SQL tutorial video, and today I'm looking to do a video on concatenating data. So imagine I've got, well, on screen as an example, I've got three separate columns getting returned: the full name, the office, and the active flag. And let's imagine I need to have those in one single column, maybe for some sort of download or some sort of file format requirement. So in SQL, there's various ways of kind of achieving the same thing, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways in this tutorial. So I'm going to go to start a new line, and I'm going to begin with a built-in function that is provided in SQL, and that's something called concat. So if I type concat, you can see it goes pink. It's an accepted or recognized function, and as with any function, it begins with a bracket, and what this function expects is a comma-separated list of values that I want to concatenate in one list. So if I do my three columns, and I'll give it an alias, and I run that, you can see now I've got this concat column, and it is the three columns in one. Generally that's fine, it's kind of what I wanted, so I'm happy with that, except it's all in one lump, and really maybe I should have some sort of separator. So because this is expecting just a list of comma separated values, I can add another comma in here and maybe just put a space, and I'll do the same here. And if I run that, it's now got spaces. Or maybe I want to put something like and then that's a little bit more information, maybe some sort of separator here with the semicolon. Anyway, either way, you can see you can add as many of these things as you like, and the concat function will separate them for you, and that's nice and neat. So the next way of doing it is to use the plus sign. So what you're able to do is say em full name plus pm.office, and Excel will recognize that as this plus as being taking this column and putting this column next to it. Now if I were to do numbers here and I did that, I would get a calculation of 1 plus 2, but because I'm doing two text columns, it knows that I want to concatenate rather than do a mathematical function, and it returns that, which is 2/3 of what I want. So I'll just give this an alias, and maybe I'll do another plus here, and I'll put. So now we've got two columns, but we need to add the third. And as soon as I try and add the third, I'm going to get an error. So first of all, I'll do that, and then plus my last value. And when I run that, it's going to go mad. And the reason it does that is because I'm trying to use the plus symbol with a mixture of data types. So these two are text or strings. This is a number. So if I've got two strings, it says, oh, you're doing concatenate, I know what to do. If I've got two numbers, it says, you're doing a mathematical formula, I know what to do. But if I've got text and numbers, it doesn't know what to do by default. So I need to tell it what to do. So in order for me to resolve this, I need to make SQL think that that last column is actually a string and not a number. And we do that by using the cast function. What cast allows you to do is to say, I want to make this value or this column a different data type, or I want to ensure it is a specific data type. So I can say cast as char will do, and I can run that, and now it knows that that is a value. That can be char, varchar, whatever you need. I can give it, a particular length. Either way, it doesn't really change the output in in this example, but this cast function makes SQL think that this is actually text. So based on that cast, it's now saying this bit of text plus this bit of text plus this bit of text, concatenate it all, and there's the output. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope it was useful. Any comments, please leave them and I will reply to any feedback. Thanks a lot for your time as always. See you next time.